Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Zoom fix no mic detected. Click Start, Settings. Click Privacy. Click Microphone. Click Change. Click Turn On. Also turn on Allow apps to access your microphone. Also turn on Allow desktop apps to access your microphone. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.